Title: Why do we sneeze? The shocking truth, sneezing face emoji. Hook: did you know sneezing is your body's secret defense weapon? Curiosity and tension: you might think sneezing is just annoying, but it's actually a powerful reflex designed to protect you. When irritants like dust or pollen invade your nose, they trigger a chain reaction. But what's really happening inside your body? Payoff: your brain sends a signal to expel those invaders, causing your chest to contract and your throat to close. Boom. A sneeze travels up to 100 miles per hour, clearing out irritants. And that's why sneezing is